Hello there! Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe if you wish to see more videos from us. Or you can comment if you'd like us to make a video on any topic. Let's understand the Emiratisation today. Emiratisation is no longer just a compliance checkbox. It's a strategic imperative aligned with UAE Vision 2030, focusing on empowering Emirati talent as future leaders. This shift marks a new era for HR leaders in the UAE. If you want to know more about UAE's Vision 2030, check the pinned comment. Let's understand the first, what is Emiratisation? Emiratisation is a strategic initiative by the UAE government aimed at increasing the participation of Emirati nationals in the workforce, especially within the private sector. Emiratisation is a national policy to prioritize the employment of UAE citizens. It is managed by the Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratisation and supported by the NAFIS program. It is designed to reduce reliance on expatriate labor and build a sustainable, locally skilled workforce. Key goals are to boost Emirati representation in private sector jobs, develop skills in high-demand industries like tech, finance, healthcare, and logistics, shift employment from public sector dependency to private sector growth, promote social inclusion and national identity through workforce participation. Let's dive into the evolving landscape of Emiratisation in the UAE, where compliance is no longer just about ticking boxes, it's about shaping the future of the nation's workforce. For large companies with over 50 employees, the mandate is clear. Increase Emirati hires by 2% annually in skilled roles, aiming for a 10% Emiratisation rate by the end of 2026. Falling short? That could mean monthly fines starting at AED 6,000 per missing Emirati, with penalties escalating each year. Smaller companies, those with 20 to 49 employees, aren't exempt. They must onboard at least one Emirati in 2024 and two by the end of 2025, especially if they operate in one of the 14 key sectors like finance, healthcare, education, IT, construction, or hospitality. Non-compliance here could cost AED 96,000 to AED 108,000 per missing hire. So, how do HR departments rise to this challenge? By becoming architects of human capital development. It starts with strategic workforce planning, embedding Emiratisation targets into annual HR strategies, identifying roles suited for Emirati talent, and using tools like Circly or more dashboards to track progress. Next, HR must leverage government support. Platforms like NAFIS offer salary subsidies, training programs, and recruitment dashboards. Membership in the Tateen Club unlocks incentives such as reduced more fees and priority access to government contracts. But it's not just about hiring, it's about engagement and retention. HR teams should build strong employer branding, host virtual Majlis sessions, and foster inclusive cultures through mentorship. Structured training and development programs, leadership tracks, and continuous learning are key to keeping Emirati talent motivated and growing. To truly achieve the goals of Emiratisation, HR professionals must move beyond simply meeting quotas and instead focus on creating a nurturing ecosystem for Emirati talent to thrive. This begins with a mindset shift, from compliance to commitment. HR should embed Emiratisation into the core of their workforce strategy, identifying meaningful roles that align with Emirati aspirations and national development goals. By leveraging platforms like NAFIS for recruitment support, salary subsidies, and training programs, HR can attract top local talent while easing financial and operational burdens. Equally important is building a workplace culture that fosters growth, leadership, and innovation. Emiratis should feel empowered to contribute, lead, and evolve within the organization. This means offering structured onboarding, mentorship, and career development pathways tailored to their strengths. HR must also ensure robust compliance monitoring, using tools like more dashboards to track progress and avoid penalties. Ultimately, success lies in engagement and retention, creating a workplace where Emiratis are not just hired but invested in. When HR leads with purpose and vision, Emiratisation becomes more than a policy. It becomes a catalyst for sustainable national growth. Crafting an Emirati-specific employee value proposition, EVP, is key. If HR truly wants to attract and retain top Emirati talent, it starts with crafting an EVP that speaks directly to their values, aspirations, and identity. This isn't just about offering a job, it's about offering purpose. Emiratis are looking for roles where they can contribute meaningfully to the UAE's growth, not just fill a seat. So, Your EVP should highlight how their work connects to national progress, innovation, and leadership. Career paths must be crystal clear, with visible opportunities for advancement and development. And don't underestimate the power of cultural respect. Celebrating national traditions, offering Arabic language support, and fostering a workplace that feels familiar and inclusive can make all the difference. When HR builds an EVP that resonates with Emirati pride and ambition, it transforms recruitment into a relationship, and that's where real retention begins. Building strategic partnerships with universities and NAFIs is essential. Engage in career fairs, host open days, and offer internships to create a talent pipeline before vacancies arise. Utilize targeted messaging and employee ambassadors to attract Emirati talent. Leverage platforms like LinkedIn and local channels where they actively seek opportunities. A structured onboarding process is crucial for retention. It immerses new Emirati hires in the company's culture, values, and strategic goals, acknowledging their unique perspectives. Assign culture mentors and set clear early goals. This provides direction, a sense of purpose, and early wins that build confidence, ensuring a supportive environment for new hires. Personalized development plans, PDPs, for Emirati employees align their career aspirations with organizational needs. This includes technical, leadership, and soft skills training. Structured mentorship and sponsorship programs are vital. They provide guidance and advocacy, ensuring high-potential Emirati talent is recognized and promoted. Job rotation and leadership acceleration initiatives help build business acumen and resilience. They identify hidden talents and fast-track high potentials into leadership roles. Fostering an inclusive and growth-oriented culture is key to retention. It ensures Emirati voices are heard, valued, and respected, creating a supportive environment for all. Implement fair performance and potential management systems. Recognize and reward achievements based on merit, ensuring competitive compensation and continuous feedback. Diagnosing and planning Emiratisation strategies is crucial. Engage stakeholders and secure C-suite buy-in to execute a structured plan from attraction to retention. By implementing this holistic framework, HR leaders contribute directly to the UAE's vision, building a resilient, localized workforce that thrives in the dynamic economy. Emiratisation 2.0 is a business strategy led by Inur. By empowering Emirati talent, you contribute to the UAE's vision and build a resilient workforce for the future. As an HR leader, you hold the pen to write the future of the UAE's private sector. Your role as a strategic partner is crucial in shaping a thriving, innovative workforce. Recap. We've explored the evolution of Emiratisation, its importance, and strategies for attracting, integrating, developing, and retaining Emirati talent. Your role is pivotal in this journey. Call to action. Embrace Emiratisation as a strategic imperative. Implement the framework, engage stakeholders, and empower Emirati talent to lead the UAE's private sector into a prosperous future.